Hi everyone, so today we will be discussing about Python. Developed by Github Rankings, released in 1991, it has come a long way towards becoming one of the most popular languages used today. An interesting fact to know that it is named after the comedy television show Monty's Python Flying Circus and not after the Python snake. Main USP of this programming language that it is open source and free to use. Can be used across different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. Easy to code when often uses English keywords, which makes it simple to understand and execute. It has shorter codes as compared to C++ and Java. For example, everyone with you who learn to code, the first program he or she writes is a simple hello world. In Python, to print hello world, you just need to write this one line of code. That's it. You will get your desired output. The Python standard library covering all your needs for coding. The Python has a library which contains set of modules which you can import into your program, eliminating the need for you to code repetitive commands again and again. It has a variety of tools for file handling, date time, and much more. For finance professionals, pandas with its data frame and series objects, numpy with its ND array are widely used in financial analysis. Please note that pandas and numpy are just another set of libraries which are available in Python. It is interactive and has tools like Python Shell, IPython, and Jupyter notebooks. You can write and execute each line in isolation and see the results or a helpful error message immediately. Python doesn't require the use of curly braces or semicolons. Applications of Python are endless. To list a few, you can use it to create websites, develop algorithms, applying statistical techniques for automation, developing games, and many more. It is up to you how you want to apply Python. Some use cases in finance for Python. It can be used to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and energy, reducing the risk of manual errors. You can use Python to easily pull data from web, from spreadsheets, different database, even APIs. It enables new type of analysis, simulations. Monte Carlo simulation is one of them, which were not readily available in standard spreadsheets. Algorithmic trading, which was earlier a big boy thing, can be used by every individual today at such a low cost who knows how to code in Python. It enables you to create your own trading strategies in a short time and backtest. An illustration to show how the Python has increased in popularity over the years. These are GitHub rankings and see where the Python stands. Some of the companies using Python are Instagram, Dropbox, Facebook, Amazon, Spotify, Google. This list is not exhaustive. There are n number of companies using Python. It's up to you how you want to use your Python. What thing interests you in Python? Is it web development, machine learning, data analysis, game development? Possibilities are endless with Python. Thank you.